Welcome to the Basics Hub. Today we're diving into a project that will transform your garden, building a sturdy and attractive trellis for your climbing plants. Whether you're growing sweet peas, morning glories, or even vegetables like beans and cucumbers, a well-built trellis can make all the difference. Not only does it provide essential support for your plants, but it also adds vertical interest to your garden, maximizing space and creating a stunning visual display. Let's get started on this rewarding DIY project. Before we begin, let's go over what you'll need for this project. 4 wooden posts, 4 by 4 inches, 8 feet long. These will form the main structure of our trellis. Lattice panels or wire mesh for the climbing surface. Screws and nails for assembly. A post hole digger or shovel for setting the posts. A level to ensure everything is straight. A saw for any necessary cuts. A drill for pre-drilling holes and driving screws. A hammer for nails and general use. A measuring tape for precise measurements. And don't forget your safety gear. Gloves and safety glasses are a must. Remember, the exact quantities may vary depending on the size of your trellis. It's always a good idea to buy a little extra, just in case. Now let's get building. First, measure your garden space and decide on the size of your trellis. We're making ours 8 feet tall and 6 feet wide, but you can adjust based on your needs and the types of plants you're growing. If your posts are too long, you'll need to cut them. Remember, about 2 feet of each post will be underground for stability. Mark your cutting lines and use a saw to trim the posts if needed. Dig holes about 2 feet deep and 6 feet apart. Place the posts in the holes, ensuring they're level and aligned. Fill the holes with soil, tamping it down firmly as you go. Use a level to make sure the posts are straight. Now let's add horizontal supports. Cut 2 by 4 boards to fit between the posts at the top and about halfway up. Attach these to the posts using screws or nails. Next, we'll add the lattice or wire mesh. If using wooden lattice, you may need to cut it to size. Attach it to the frame using screws or staples. For wire mesh, stretch it across the frame and secure with U-nails. To protect your trellis and make it look great, consider painting or staining it. Choose a color that complements your garden. Make sure to use outdoor-rated products for durability. Now that your trellis is ready, it's time to plant. Choose your favorite climbing plants and plant them at the base of the trellis. As they grow, gently guide them onto the support structure. And there you have it, a beautiful, sturdy trellis ready to support your climbing plants. This project not only adds vertical interest to your garden, but also provides a perfect home for a variety of stunning climbers. Remember, your trellis will only get more beautiful as your plants grow and bloom. With proper care and maintenance, both your trellis and your plants will thrive for years to come, creating a stunning focal point in your garden. If you enjoyed this DIY project, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Basics Hub for more gardening tips and projects. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. We'd love to see your trellis creations, so share your photos in the comments below or on our social media. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.